Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can connect your Hostinger email to your Gmail, and it's going to be very simple, and it's going to allow you to receive your Hostinger emails into your Gmail account to have like a unified dashboard and interface, which is going to be basically Gmail. Okay, so what are you going to do? First of all, we need your Hostinger email, so you're just going to come to the email section in here, and you're going to make sure to grab your direction, as well as your password and anything else that you might find relevant. Okay, but mainly your direction, like your email itself, and then the password. Okay, and then we're basically going to come to the email, to the Gmail section in here, the Gmail application, and we're going to go to the settings. We're going to click on see all settings, and now we're going to get to accounts and imports in here, and we're going to click on check email from other accounts, and we're going to add another email account. And now we're just going to have to paste it as well as the credentials. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We're going to paste here the Hostinger email as well as the password later. Thank you so much, guys.